Well, last night I had the opportunity to create an app. Ellen Lenning asked me a while ago if I would create an app with a list of active learning techniques. And so I finally had an opportunity to pull it together. And this is what we have. This QR code, will send it, will get you to that if you use a QR code reader on your phone. And the Learn How link will allow you to save this app to your phone. So there's instructions on how to do that. But basically, here is the application. So, for example, activity is a gallery walk. You just click on it for a little bit more information on what a gallery walk is. There is a category. This happens to be a student action for individuals, and there may be a little bit more in the category description if it's available. One of the things that you can do is you can filter this. So if you just want to look for activities that deal with a lecture, you can select that and click done, and it will filter them based on those particular items. And if you want to see everything, you can select all. You can also do a search. So if I look for, say, a tweet, it will filter it based on all the information that's related. So that is it. That is the app, and it showed you how to go ahead and use it. If you have any suggestions for it, please send them my way. I'll see if I can incorporate them. I may create a form that you can fill out, but just send me an email. That would be fine. So that's what I've got going. Enjoy.